Guys, we're about to make the easiest chicken tacos ever. You ready? To make things really simple, I'm starting out with cooked rotisserie chicken. This right here is about half a chicken. The other half I used another recipe, which I'll link for you, lots of them below. I'm gonna give this chicken some flavor by mixing it with salsa verde. You can also use traditional salsa. Either one of these will work. So let's add the salsa verde right on top of the chicken. Salsa verde is made with green tomatillos or green tomatoes, while regular red salsa is made with red tomatoes. Let's mix this around so all of our chicken has delicious flavor. If simple family recipes like this one are your thing, hit that red subscribe button. I share a few recipes every single week. So now that this is combined, I'm gonna take this chicken and salsa verde and heat it up in the microwave for just 2 minutes. Now, meanwhile, I'm going to take my crunchy taco shells and line them in my baking sheet. When I put these in the oven filled with chicken, it's going to both melt the cheese, heat the chicken some more, and get these nice and crispy. I've got my warm chicken, I have my taco shells lined up, and I've got some shredded cheese. I'm gonna take about half of what the recipe calls for and put it on top of the chicken, and then mix it all up. And now I just take a taco shell and fill it with some of the chicken mixture. This is a great recipe to do with any leftover chicken that you have cooked. If you don't have enough, you can always add a can of beans to the mixture. Beans, some chicken. You can make them with ground beef or turkey. Same simple process. And what's great about this recipe is that we all get to eat hot tacos at the same time. I don't know about you, but I'm usually the last one to serve myself on a plate and I get cold food. So this ensures that I get to eat hot tacos. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more cheese and sprinkle it right over each and every taco. And now that my oven's ready, let's bake these real quick. Check these out up close. The cheese is melted, our tortillas are nice and crispy, and the best part is that now I can load them up with shredded lettuce, guacamole or fresh avocado, salsa, sour cream. Let's give one of these a try, right? So good. Cheesy, melty, so taco delicious. Grab the recipe to these crispy chicken baked tacos in the description box, hit that red subscribe button, and you and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.